In this Apple HomePod advertisement, you can see this super cool colorful text animation, and we will easily create something similar in After Effects today. So let's first of all create a new composition and just use the normal settings. And yeah, let's add a background by right-clicking in here, going to new, and let's add a solid. And I'll just use a white background, so make sure the color is white, and just hit OK. Now we can right-click again in here and add a new text, and I'll just type in some normal sentence like be creative. And now we can't see anything because the text is white and the background is white, so let's just hide the background real quick to adjust the text a little bit. So let's first of all scale this up by pressing S on the keyboard to access the scale settings while having the text layer selected, and just turning up this value just like this. And now we can also go to the Align tab on the right and align it horizontally and vertically. And if you don't see these settings, make sure to go to Window and check if Align is checked here. And yeah, now we can go to the Effects and Presets tab and look for the one and most important effect, which is the 4-color gradient effect, and just apply to this layer. And now that we have some colors in here, we can just unhide the background again, just like this. And yeah, if we click on this text and click on the 4-color gradient effect, we can see that these color points are in the corners, and we don't want that. We don't want that. We actually want it to be like a gradient going from the left to the right. And to do this, let's first of all go to this little setting in here and make sure that proportional grid is activated, so we can actually move these points more precisely. And yeah, let's just go to the beginning of our animation, so to the left on the timeline, and just replace these points a bit. And yeah, let's select the upper one and just bring it to this left side, middle left side. Then just go in 2 steps and rearrange the other points. So this one will go 2 steps to the right. Then let's take this one and again put it 2 steps from this one away, actually right in the center. And the last one again 2 steps away in the middle, just like this. And yeah, this is good. Make sure that, as I said, you are at the beginning of our animation. And now let's just put in keyframes to all these points, to the coordinates. So just, check these settings in here, just like I do. And then we can go forward to, wherever you want this animation of moving colors to end, like 1 or 2 seconds. I'll just go to 1.5 seconds. And now we can just move these points to the right by 2 steps, just like this, like this, like this, and like this. And yeah, now if we would play this animation and we can actually now deactivate the grid, we can see that this is just a super cool and clean animated gradient now. And yeah, this is good. This may take some time to pre-render, but I think this looks amazing. Of course, you are free to change these colors, because I think by default they are quite strong, so you could change them by hand, or I'll just like to use a hue saturation effect and just turn down the saturation a little bit, so it's not that super strong. But this is completely up to you. And yeah, that's it basically. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and make sure to subscribe for more of these Apple design replicas in After Effects, and hopefully I'll see you next time.